How to use Canva with Printify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Canva with Printify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here onto Printify, and if you don't have an account, you can sign up. It's very easy. The process is very simple, but if you have an account, just simply log in. Next, we're going to go over here onto Canva, and over here we're going to search for a shirt or t-shirt in the search bar, and we're going to click on this recommendation that pops up. After that, it's going to take us over here into the template section, and over here it's going to show us a bunch of different templates to choose from. You can go ahead and choose any of these templates you want, but if you want to create a custom design, you can click over here to create a blank t-shirt and create a custom design. So it depends on you if you don't want to use any of these templates and create an original design. But if you still want to use some of these templates, you can just simply use them and change it up a little bit, maybe the color and the overall fonts of things. You can change them up and you are good to go. So let's go ahead and create a blank or a new design. So right here is your canvas, and over here on the left hand side are going to be your templates, so you can choose them. And if you click on elements, you can go ahead and select all of these different elements and choose from create a design. You can even have the draw option to draw your design as well. It depends on you. But yeah, I think I'll leave the drawing to the experts. You have the text tool to add a text if you want to. So let's go ahead and create ourselves a new design. So to do that, first come over here onto canvas and position yourself, change the color if you want to. I would like to add two design. One is going to be black and the other one is going to be white. So I'm going to change the first one to black. No, there we go. We have a black and a white canvas. So now we're going to come over here and click on the search bar and search for our design. So let's go ahead and search for a dragon. We're going to click on dragon. Over here, we have some different options to choose from. So just simply click over here onto the graphics section and choose yourself a dragon. So there are some pretty cool ones as well, not gonna lie. So now we have the magic recommendation. Now it's going to show us all these different ones to choose from. So there's also this one as well. We could go with that one and that one. So now we have three designs. I'm going to go ahead and change the color of them. I'm going to turn them into white like so. Turn this one into white as well, and turn this one into white as well. There you go. So now we have three options right here. We also have this one as well. Let's go ahead and turn this one into white. So now we have four designs over here to choose from. You can go ahead and choose your own design. It depends on you. I think I'll go ahead and choose this one right here. So I'll remove the other three and put this one right here, and maybe increase the size of it like so. Put it right here in the center. And now we want to search for some other elements as well, like a cloud. Let's go ahead and search for cloud. So we have them right over here. We are looking for something like this. So we'll select that. Now the magic recommendation tool is going to recommend us clouds that are going to be of similar shapes. So we like this one. We are going to turn this into red, and this one will go with black. So this one looks really nice. So we could put it somewhere along the lines of here, but let me just go ahead and flip it. Can I flip it? But let's try to find some more like this one as well. We also like this one. Let's go ahead and see some other ones that we could find. So maybe something like this one as well. These would look also really good. So we'll choose this one right here. And so now let's just change the color to red, and we'll delete this one and we'll put this one right over here. It'll be a little bit bigger right here, and we'll send it back. There we go, like so. And we'll choose another one as well. We'll copy this one actually and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl and D, and we'll keep this one right here. So something like that. And now we want to search for some Japanese letters. There we go, Japanese letters. Now we have these options right here. So also, if you find some that are in the pro section, you don't have to worry about that. You can use the free options as well. It doesn't matter if you go with the pro version, but if you cannot, then find some other option as well. You don't really have to go with the pro version like this one. You could use this one as well if it's free, like this one is free. So you could use this one as well. This one looks just as good. So we'll actually use this one. And you can turn it into red. There you go. So we have now our design for a t-shirt ready. So we'll just put it right here. Now let's go ahead and copy all of them and put it in the white one, and we'll switch the dragon to black. There we go. Pretty simple. Now we just simply download these designs and we should be good to go. And we will design them with a transparent background. And of course, this is a pro version, but if you don't have the pro version and you want to remove the background, come over here onto this website called remove.bg. And as you can see, it actually works. Just upload your design. And this was the original image. And after removing the background, this is how it looks like. Just simply click on the upload image and it'll do everything all on its own. And then you just simply download it. So once you have your design, you should be good to go. Now we will come over here onto Printify to start editing our product. So let's assume that this canvas right here is our product and we want to sell it. And so we're going to choose the product, scroll down and click on start designing to start designing our product. Now I've already uploaded 2 of these designs right here. So we'll go ahead and put it right here. As you can see, this is how it looks like. And if you're wondering how you can upload them, it's very simple. As you can see, you come over here. When you first click on design, they will tell you to upload your design. So you click on my device and you choose your design. And we are going to choose this one or this one. And you can choose any design you want. I'll choose this one for now. And you just simply choose it right here. And your design will be uploaded automatically. So this is my design right here. You can choose the background right here. As you can see, we have a black background, a gray, a darker gray, light blue color. We also have this pink background as well. So we'll actually go with the pink background. And then you can just simply click on save your product. After you've uploaded it, change the background, aligned it. And now all you have to do is just simply choose and add a description of the product, add the title, the fonts, the pricing of it, and then you just simply connect a store and upload it to your store, and you just simply click on the publish button and you are good to go. So very simple. This is how you do it. This is how you create a design on Canva and use Canva to upload printful design as well. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.